Hey guys, look at what I just got in the mail. It's a package from Intrepid that I've been waiting for almost a month, and now it's finally here and I'm super excited to open it up. If you've been watching my videos all the way from the beginning, you know how much I love making direct contact prints with my dry plates, using different alternative printing techniques such as cyanotypes, albumin prints and so on. And for now the largest I could shoot was 4x5. And to be honest, with 4x5 format you cannot get a print any bigger than a postcard. So yeah, I've had a strong desire to shoot bigger than 4x5 for a long time. And probably by the end of the last year I've been discussing this in my videos as well, about how I really want to build my own bigger camera. But with all the work I have lately with the production of zebra dry plates and holders, honestly, I just don't have time to even think about building or planning a camera like that. So I finally decided to make the move and to order another camera from the Intrepid, and it's the biggest one they have, so an 8x10. So yeah, without much further ado, let's finally open this box up to see how the camera looks like. There you have it. This is just the bill, and loads of bubble wrap. I mean, they sure know how to protect the camera well. It's been almost, I don't know, 4 or 5 years since I opened my first Intrepid camera up, so I don't even remember how everything looked like. There is a short little start guide, as I can see here. And this is the camera. Quite heavy, but definitely on the lighter side in terms of 8x10 cameras. Okay, let me move this bubble wrap away a bit. Take my knife and I will slowly start to unwrap this camera up. I will fast forward a bit, as this will take quite a bit of time, as I can see. Alright, we're coming to the end now. Almost there. Let me remove this last piece of bubble wrap here, which is protecting the focusing screen. Okay, this is the last piece now, and there you have it. This is my new Intrepid 8x10 camera. Oof, it sure looks big, but in the same time it's really beautiful and seems really well made. And as far as I can see right now, there are quite a few new features and upgrades from my Intrepid 4x5 Mark II. Probably the biggest upgrade that I noticed right away is this rear focusing mechanism. Because by turning this knob you're moving the front standard back and forth and adjusting the focus by doing that. So there is no need anymore to fasten and unfasten the two screws that were here before. So yeah, I will unfold this camera now to show you how it looks like when it's ready to shoot. And I will be making another review probably in a couple of months when I thoroughly use this camera and when I can tell you exactly what I like and dislike about the new features and about this camera altogether. I start by unscrewing the two bolts in the back first, and also the two smaller one in the front right here. Now I lift the back stander up like this, screw these two bolts down, as well as these two up here. So now the back standard is in place. This is what I love about Intrepid cameras as well, because they are keeping the same system of folding and unfolding throughout all their models. So if you have already previously owned the Intrepid camera and you got a new one, you already know pretty much how to use it and how to set it up. Okay, now I will screw down, I will lift this front standard up, like this, so I can reach the bolt which is on the bottom here, and which gets screwed down to this focusing board right here. Screw it down like this. I can immediately say that putting up an 8x10 camera is a bit bigger workout than 4x5. You have to move your body around a bit more. So yeah, let me fasten this two down as well. There you go, this camera is now ready for action. Of course I'm still missing the lens, but I actually already ordered one couple of months ago. I've decided to go for a Schneider Kreuznach G-Claron 240mm f9. I hope I remembered this correctly. But yeah, I've decided to go for that lens because it covers a very large image area, so it should work with this 8x10 camera without any problems, but I still have to 3D print my lens board first. And another thing I would like to discuss right now is the film holder, because in order to shoot 8x10 glass dry plates I will first have to design a Zebra 8x10 dual plate holder. So that's one of the reasons I got this camera as well, so I can test and use the holder right away. And yeah. I don't know what else to say, but I'm super excited to finally own this camera, to hold it in my hands. And I just can't wait to make the things that I'm currently still missing, so I'm going to be able to take this camera out in the field and to shoot 8x10 glass dry plates, to develop them, and also to make some awesome direct contact prints with this camera, which is going to be very exciting for me, and I believe that also very exciting for you for my future videos. I know that these unboxing videos can become really boring very quickly, but I really wanted to share my excitement with you, and I really wanted to discuss the future content of this channel and the future of Zebra dry plates and holders. So yeah, Zebra 4x5, 5x7 and 8x10 glass dry plates, as well as Zebra 4x5 dual glass dry plate holder is already out there ready for purchase. You can find the link in the description below. And I also hope that Zebra 8x10 as well as 5x7 dual glass dry plate holders are gonna be out there very soon. There you go, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to press that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next one. Bye!